Hi everyone, Alystar here. Today we're going to be making a yummy vegan nutty chocolate sundae. To begin with, let's make our homemade vegan chocolate ice cream. So let's get started. For the vegan chocolate ice cream, you require just two ingredients. First, a 1 liter Tetra pack of Sofit chocolate soy milk, and second, 4 packets of Parle hide and seek black bourbon chocolate biscuits. As you can see, I've crumbled 2 packets of my bourbon biscuits. I'm going to drop this into my jar like so and add in half a Tetra pack of soy milk to it. Slowly, not all of it, just half the Tetra pack. Now we'll close this and blend it well. Once that's done, we'll lift it off our mixer and pour it gently into a stainless steel vessel, as stainless steel cools faster. You might get some chocolate bits. If you don't want the bits, you can blend it again so it all blends in well. Now we'll do the same for the remaining. Now that we've blended our whole quantity and poured it into a steel vessel, we'll freeze this overnight. We'll begin with our topping, for which you need a handful of chopped roasted cashew nuts. So let's roast our cashew nuts lightly on a low flame till it becomes slightly brown and gives a good aroma, like so. It's beginning to smell good. I think it's well done. Now for our second topping, I'll be melting some pieces of vegan dark chocolate in a steel vessel over steam. To this I'll add some vanilla soy milk so it melts well. You can use any vegan milk. So let's stir. Till it melts. There, it's ready. Our vegan chocolate ice cream is straight out of the freezer and ready to be served. So let's assemble this. We'll take 3 scoops and put it in our dessert cup. Like so. Liberally pour some melted chocolate all over it. Like this. And finally top it with some cashew nuts. These are roasted cashew nuts. There, finally our vegan nutty chocolate sundae is ready to be served.